Hello everyone, I'm DIACONU and I'm a lecturer at the Faculty of Public Administration at NEC, the National University of Political Studies and Public Administration. I'm also, for the current year, Ștefan Odobleja Fellow at the New Europe College. I was trained as a political scientist. During my BA, MA and PhD studies, I employed an interdisciplinary approach to the study of commons. Thus, here at NEC, my project aims to develop or to map the institutions that are involved in the management of forests in the case of the Romanian communal villages. There are three core concepts of my project. The first one is the one of institutions. The institutions, as Douglas North formulated, are those rules of the game in a society that can change the human behavior. Following North, there were many other economists or political scientists, such as Elinor Ostrom and, of course, the entire Ostromian school, that found different contexts where cooperation appears. The second concept is the one of commons. I previously mentioned it, and now I'm going to define it, or to present it. The common is a kind of good that may be used by any member of our communities. But with each use of it, their quantity or quality may decrease. After the paper that was published by Garrett Hardin in 1968, The Tragedy of the Commons, many economists tried to find some contexts where these commons were kept, or these commons may be preserved. Some of these contexts may also be represented by the Romanian communal villages. Those villages are a kind of organizational form that involve local-based institutions or rules that prevent any user from overexploitation of their forests or meadows. As I previously mentioned, my project is about forests, so about forest exploitation. In order to answer a few research questions that I will further develop, I am involving a mixed methods methodological research design. The emphasis will be put on the qualitative part, but in the meantime, I'm also involving a quantitative analysis starting from the agricultural or population censuses, in addition to some GIS methods and results. So, employing those methodological approaches and this theoretical framework, I'm trying to answer a few research questions. For example, I'm trying to see if the institutions that exist in the case of the Romanian communal villages in the counties of Argeș, Vrancea, Gorj, or Suceava, for example, are rather inclusive or rather exclusive, or take into account that my fieldwork is developed in different counties, as I mentioned. Are there any differences between the institutions that are employed in different geographical areas? The results that I will reach, hopefully, may help in developing the theoretical framework of the study of commons on the one hand, and on the other, they may contribute to the policy-making processes on the forest exploitation procedures.